Hey there, I'm Garrett from the Software Training Lab, and today we're going to go over how to add text and title cards to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. I already have some footage here in my timeline, but now we want to add a title at the beginning and some text to describe the scenes that are going on. We're actually going to move to the Caption and Graphics workspace, which makes it a little easier to edit our text. If you're on an older version of Premiere, you'll find it in the top center here with all of the workspaces. If you're on the newest version, it'll either be here under the Workspaces button, Captions and Graphics, but I have it right here laid out. Premiere might automatically bring up a different panel, such as the audio clip mixer or the text panel, but I'm going to move back to the source monitor in the top left. Premiere will also bring up the Essential Graphics panel on the right. This features some pre-made titles, but we're going to stick to the basics. In your toolbar, which is now found in the top next to the program monitor, you can find the Type tool, represented by the T. You can also press T on your keyboard to select it. Now with the Type tool, you can click on the program monitor to create your first text box. Once I start typing, the Essential Graphics panel moves to the Edit tab and shows me lots of helpful options for my text box. I'm going to name this Nebula. Here under the Edit tab, I can align the box to the center of the frame, adjust the font, the point size, the alignment, etc. Select your text, and let's find a different font. I'll go with Space Mono. Frequently when I'm working with text boxes, I have to move back to the Selection tool by clicking here. Obviously, I don't want to type the letter V, but that does happen fairly frequently. Let me adjust the color as well. I'll make this a nice orange to match the nebula. Once you create a text box, you'll notice a new rectangle has been added on the timeline that represents the graphics. We can extend this to make it last longer or shorter. I'm going to add in some other text labels on my clips to help the viewer understand what we're looking at. This clip is from NASA headquarters, so I'll write that in. With that, I'll say that this video is looking great, and we're ready to turn it into our final product. In our next video, we're going to go through how to export your project.